Guys, I just want to make a video about the air conditioning efficiency of the STi, which I felt the air conditioning is not always great. Might just be my imagination. So it is 31 degrees, but inside the cabin with the windows closed, the temperature reading for this thing has gone off the scale at about 60 or 50. So I'll put the air conditioning on just on low. It's on auto. Whoops. And I'll put on recirculate to draw air from in the cabin. Let's see how it goes. So while that, well, another alarm now, because the key's in my pocket. I open the bonnet. It's got a different alarm now again. So you'll have the fans on low, sort of, they are variable. As you can see, the air conditioning sort of, I wouldn't say it's struggling. I'll turn it up to full pelt, but it's working. That's not very good, is it? And I have felt it actually, you know, like, well, because you can see you get the reduced temperature with the higher flow. And I'll finish this off in another part. I've got to go now, but I'll leave it running and come back.